spending is always at the top of the forefront of everybody's mind. I know the IT guys are always having the conversations with the CFO suite and having those conversations. And how are you battling, like everyone, the challenge of implementing something new, like your ERP system, and still trying to keep those costs down, or at least justify those things? What are some of your experiences there?
Fortunately, we're a privately held company, and our owner is on the forefront of staying current. He expects to spend the money on staying current, so it's not nearly as much of a challenge as it would be for a publicly traded company. Our board of directors is one person. He owns the company decisions. He writes the checks. So, when he comes to us and says, "Hey, we want to put in this ERP system," it just strap up and let's go.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, it's good and bad, right? So like you said, he's coming in. Now's the new ERP. Add that into the work schedule, right?
Absolutely. And, fortunately, our staff is, we're used to working in the environment, and it is a very active environment. Our priorities change at a very rapid rate. And being a co-manufacturer as well, the challenges of our customers become our challenges. So different ways that they do business, we have to adapt to be able to do business ourselves. Proves to be a bit of a challenge. Switching
gears a little bit, and a lot of the customers I'm speaking to today, there seems to be this trend of going from a capital expenditure, a one-time purchase, to operating expenditure. So from a CapEx to OpEx, even car washes today. You can now pay a monthly fee and get unlimited car washes. So I'm seeing a lot of that push. Are you seeing that in your industry, or at Sugar Creek specifically? Are you guys embracing this new model, or are you still more CapEx?
We've been an OpEx model for several years. We learned through the years of experience that typically IT equipment has a lifespan. So if we were to keep up with the lifespan of the equipment, we need to change out on a frequent basis. So we've learned to, at an operating expense level, to adapt our equipment, adapt our buys to that model. And that's the way we've operated for the last probably 10 years.